Just left warm Fullertini Airport on my way to my hotel, and this is a birthday cruise. It's going to be an adventure. So guys, let's get started. Just arrived at Courtyard by Marriott Hotel Central Park. Let's take a look around the hotel. So far, the view outside the hotel look really nice. They have seating outside, some flowers, some shade. If you want to come outside and sit and watch the day go by, a lot of seating. And I was very surprised to see a lot of lemon tree right here. After all, you are in Italy. Here on the outside, you will find the entrance of the fitness center. Next to the fitness center, you will find the Moscati Bistro. They do have an entrance from the outside. I guess anybody can come and have dinner here, but also they have an entrance inside. In the lobby, you will find a small gift shop, very convenient if you want to grab something for a friend to bring back home. Here in the lobby is very grand, and on this side you will find the entrance of the restaurant where they serve breakfast, lunch and dinner, and also you got free breakfast. The lobby is very big. You have a lot of seating. There's the elevator. And here you can scan the QR code and order dinner, lunch from your room. There's the front desk for checking. Here on this side of the lobby, you will see vending machine where you can buy snack, all kind of stuff, so many things, so many choices. If you need a snack, drinks. And here is Starbucks. It's not for free, you have to pay for it. And also here is the ATM machine for change. On this side, you can bring your food here to eat, and sometime at night they host some events also. But you can use this when they're not using it. Let's go check what they have for breakfast. And this will be my first breakfast here. It's a pretty big restaurant. For dinner at night, you can always sit outside. Let's go check things out. Here's some couscous. Bacon, the best of all sausages, and eggs. Here are some fruits, nuts. Wow, all the people. If you love sweet, You find all type of pastry, donut. We didn't spend too long for breakfast because we have to leave for a tour that we have, but in the evening we came back for dinner. So let's go check it out. The restaurant's pretty big and it looks very nice. For lunch, I ordered vegetable pizza. When you're Italy, you have to try pizza. It was very delicious and we shared. And they ordered a salmon burger and a hamburger. Everything was delicious. We really enjoyed this lunch. And when we're done with our lunch, we're gonna check the room and we take you along. This is room 301 on the third floor. So let's take a look inside. When you enter, you see the full view of the room. At the door is all your information in case of emergency. And here is the closet. You have ironing board and a safe and some slippers also. There's plenty of space. We're only here for 2 nights. There's a desk. You have your power outlet, a big flat screen TV, a chair on the desk. Since we were 3 people, this is coffee. They offer a single bed on the side and a side table here. And the room have 2 double bed, 2 lamps and some storage at the desk. It was pretty roomy. So let's go check outside. We have a big balcony. I didn't expect that. We have a view of nature, a lot of trees. Did not expect that. When we get tired of sitting inside and look at this, it's very beautiful and soothing. Let's go check the bathroom. Nice sink. They offer a lot of toiletries. You have toothbrush, shampoo, conditioning, body wash, shower cap. This is a deep tub. If you want to soak yourself, you can do that. Here the rest of the shampoo, conditioning, and this is a body wash. And the shower was really powerful. You can take a good shower here. Here is the toilet. There's plenty of space in here. They offer a bidet. We don't use that. We take showers. Overall, it was a very nice bathroom. There's 2 hooks to hang your stuff. You can always charge here also in the bathroom. Let's take a last look. We really enjoyed this bathroom. We are back at the restaurant for dinner that evening. We ordered some drinks. There's some snack on the table, nuts and chips. And here we have crab cake. We share. It was delicious. And this is tuna tartare. We share again. And we have a lemon drink on the side. And here is the pasta. This is Italy, so you know this pasta was delicious. We really enjoy our dinner. So let's wait for tomorrow. And here is the morning. We come for breakfast because we have a big day ahead. We're going to tour the city of Rome. A lot of sweets here. If this is what you love, this is heaven for you. And here you will find all the fruits, and also they have some cut up fruits, nuts, cereal. There's eggs, sausages, let's check this, the couscous again, and then some corn cakes, delicious. We really enjoy our breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. And this is the bacon, not to miss. Hi guys, this is our last breakfast here. We're ready to leave the hotel to board our ship. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Bye, until next time.